We have been sold a lie that small sins don't matter, that a glance, a white lie, a lazy prayer won't hurt. Surah Al Mu'minun, verse number 2, just denoted that myth. Here is why. Those humble in prayers, not those who pray sometimes, not those who avoid major sins. Khushu is the litmus test, and the minor sins, they are the termites eating it away. You think it's just a sin? No, it's a systematic attack on your khushu. The mu'minun guard their prayers like lions because they know neglect the small things and the big things crumble. Moralize this. Every minor sin thickens your heart's armor. Prayer becomes mechanical until one day you can't feel khushu even if you try. This isn't tazkiyah, it's spiritual chemistry. But here is the secret. Allah wants to restore you. Before you step to next Salah, wait, whisper, this is my Jannah application. 3 seconds to shift from regret to focus. Allah didn't say those who sometimes focus. He said those rooted in humility. The minor sins we ignore, they are the termites gravening at the root. So ask yourself today, is my salah a living connection or just a dead habit? The mu'minun don't negotiate with their prayer, neither should you. Don't forget to support us. Hit follow button, and if you missed the first video, scroll down to see the beginning alert of the series. What if I told you that everything you have been thought about success is wrong?